The ConserveWell utensil holder from Server Products is designed to help operators save water, energy, and money while properly sanitizing tongs, scoops, and more. Replacing traditional Dipperwell perpetual flow sinks, the ConserveWell uses an environmentally friendly rinsing method to eliminate the need for constant water flow. This design can save up to 250,000 gallons of water each year. Two 9th size 4-inch deep food pans hold serving utensils above 140 degrees Fahrenheit, protecting them against bacteria growth. The ConserveWell uses key slot brackets to mount on a wall or other sturdy vertical surface. This keeps utensils handy and ready to use, and also ensures the unit is easy to remove for cleaning. To learn more about how the ConserveWell can benefit your business, give us a call at 1-800-541-8683 or visit us online at KaTom.com today.